Hey, what's up? Today we are going to customize my old watch. So this is the watch I've been talking about. So let's go. So the first thing is to remove the straps. Next step, sanding. And I mean lot of sanding. So removing the back case was pretty easy, but not the movement itself. Like removing the movement was a bit difficult from the case. So there is a pin in the movement which you have to press in order to release the stem. So this is the pin you are supposed to press. So now after removing the movement, we have to place the movement in a safe container in order to protect the movement from the dust. So now comes the best part, that is painting. But before painting, we need to give it a clean by isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust particles. So in beginning, just apply a single coat over whole case. So now it's all dried up and the finish is quite good. So now round 2 and layer 2, but first we need to cover the crystals with some tape in order to avoid getting paint on it. So finally we are going to apply second layer of the paint, which is going to show its magic. So now after we are done with case, it's time for dial, and now we have to remove all of its hands. So now just using two blades to remove its hands, but be careful because they are very small and you can lose them very easily. Place the hands in a different container to avoid any damage to them. So the dial is kept in place with the help of some adhesive, and we need to remove that adhesive in order to get the dial. So now it's time to paint the dial. So the result came out better than I expected, and the finishing is really good. So now just removing its tape and later giving it a good clean with some isopropyl alcohol. So now placing the dial back on the movement with the help of some super glue. So now comes the tough part, which is placing the hands back on the movement. So now checking the movement last time before putting it back to the case and giving the case a quick clean with some isopropyl alcohol. So now it's the time for marrying the movement with the case, and we are almost good to go. And here is the finished product. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share.